Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine. Lesson number 8, a flash of light. We have read this lesson and we also have done the question answers of this lesson, right? Students, on page 88 there is an exercise about conjunctions. Can you see it? See, they said fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions from the list below. And the words are if, or, after, until, whether, where, unless and although. We have been doing the exercises about conjunctions from since long. A conjunction is a word used to connect clauses or sentences or to coordinate words in the same clause, isn't it? Or you can say a word or a group of words that joins together words, groups or clauses. You see, the given words if, or, after, until, where, whether, unless, although, they all are the, you can say they are the words that brings connection between other phrases, other clauses or within the sentence, right? So we are going to fill the blanks with them according to their requirement. Number A is please wait dash the bus arrives until the bus arrives. Okay. B is would you like some tea or would you prefer coffee? You see, we are putting conjunctions where they are more suitable. C is you won't be late if you take us in your car. Okay, if you feel like, then you can write another conjunction if you feel like that one is more suitable than this. But probably we use these which I have filled more in our conversation. We went to the zoo where we saw many animals. E is Rehan is paid little money although he works very hard. F is they will leave after lunch whether their friend comes or not. G is you can't be heard unless you shout. Okay, the children crossed the road after the traffic lights changed to green. Same exercise but little bit different. Join the sentences below using the conjunctions as, for, since or while. You are going to write them on your books as you can see I have done. Okay. As you know that conjunctions are the connected words. They are the words used to connect, right? So how we are going to connect it in sentences? For example, A. The sun was very hot. It was still summer. You see, they are two independent sentences. But when we will add conjunction between them, then they will become one sentence. Okay, there will be no full stop at the end of the sentence. For example, we will say, right, the sun was very hot, for it was still summer. So we will omit full stop between these two sentences and we will write for. B is she can find the way since she is so clever. So omit the full stop again and do write since. C is he began to get frightened. It was getting dark. And before it, we will omit the full stop and we will write as it was getting dark. And the last one is Mona read a book, the baby slept. So this sentence we are going to change a little more. We will write it like this way. While the baby slept, Mona read a book. Understood? We can do this way. We can put the second sentence in the beginning as well. While the baby slept, Mona read a book. I hope you have understood the concept of conjunctions, that they are the words that connect sentences together. You see how we connected here? and how we omitted and removed the full stop between the sentences. Okay, students, the next exercise, it is about verbs and nouns. They said here is a list of words. The first list consists of verbs and the second consists of nouns. Can you find out what the missing nouns are? Students, you must be knowing that how we get rich quantity of vocabulary in English. The one way to get an ample amount of vocabulary in our language is that when we turn verbs into nouns. This is how we also a kind of way to get vocabulary. For example, you see, the verb is act and the noun is action, right? The verb is accuse and the noun is accusation. C is the verb is injure and the noun is injury. D is the verb is satisfy and the noun is satisfaction. E is explain and the noun is explanation. F, the verb is complain and the noun is complaint. D is the verb is advise and noun is advice. H, and last the verb is inquire and the noun is inquiry. Students, do always remember that verbs can always be further transfer into verb forms. Like we can say act, acted and acted, right? Injure, injured, injured. Got it? Explain, explained, explained. Advise, advised, advised. Complain, complained, complained. This way, right? Just keep in your mind. This is just a clue. So this is all about, you also gonna write this exercise on your books as I have written. Okay. Now what you are going to write, what you are going to do. Here they said sentence composition. Use the words above in sentences of your own. Write 2 sentences for each word. But I will say you can write a single sentence for each word. Okay, not 2, no required. If you can do one thing. In this row, you will write the sentences about verbs, and in second row, you will write sentences about nouns. Got it? You can write sentences this way. So 4 sentences will be about verbs and 4 sentences about nouns. Understood? So this is all about today's class. Inshallah, we will meet with the workbook activities of our same lesson. Okay? Till then, stay blessed and goodbye.